Alam mo ba na may 5 pinaka-common angle na ginagamit ang mga veteran sports writers? Hi! Ako ang inyong friendly online journalism coach, Sir Jason Jorn. Sa videong ito, tatalakayin natin ang 5 common angles that every sports writer must master. Una sa ating listahan ay yung the underdog angle. Nangyayari ito kung isang weaker team or athlete ay tinalo ang isang crowd favorite team or athlete. Halimbawa, Cellar Dweller San Antonio Shooters stand defending champion Apari East Central School 72-70 to complete the tournament's biggest upset Friday. Bakit ito nagkliklik? The reason is readers love disruption. Use this when lower seed wins, rookie beats veteran, or small school defeats powerhouse. Number 2, the redemption angle. This focuses on stories of last failure to triumph. Halimbawa, last year, natalo yung isang team over the other. And then this year, bumawi sila. Paano natin isusulat yan? Narito ang isang halimbawa. 1 year after a heartbreaking finals loss, the Asat Lady Falcons reclaimed the crown with a dominant 65-48 rout over Isabela. This angle gives your story narrative continuity, something that editors highly value. Ikatlo, the historic angle. Ang focus naman nito ay records, first streaks, milestones. This is because editors and readers alike love permanence. Halimbawa, sprinter Carlo Mendoza shattered a 12-year meet record in the 100-meter dash, clocking 9.8 seconds in the Palarong Pambayan meet on Tuesday. Bakit ito nagkliklik? This is because history elevates simple result into a groundbreaking journalism. But be careful, because not every personal best is historic. You need to verify records first before writing. Remember, credibility is the currency in sports reporting. Ang susunod na angle naman ay yung tinatawag natin na the hero angle. Nangyayari ito when one athlete carries the story. Halimbawa, behind a 32-point explosion from Mark Jason Dayaw, Asat faculty punched its ticket to the semifinals of the Interagency Cup on Mondays. Bakit ito nagkliklik? Readers connect with faces, not formations. However, do not ignore the team context. Kailangan na i-balance mo pa rin siya. Balance spotlight with structure. And ang panglima, the adversity angle. This focuses on pain, obstacles, limitations, and other human interest angle. This is premium storytelling territory. Example, yung athlete ay naglaro kahit na na-injured siya. Or yung isang barefoot runner tumakbo at siya pa yung nanalo. O di naman kaya nag-champion yung team nyo pero walang matinong training facility. Bakit ito maganda? Ito yung rason. Emotion drives readership. But always remember, do not exaggerate adversity because your readers can easily smell manufactured drama. To sum it up, at the end of the day, alinman doon sa mga 5 nabanggit ko kanina ang may pinakamabigat na kontribusyon or ambag sa kwento, it becomes your lead angle. So once again, this is your friendly online journalism coach, Sir Jason Jorn.